first time on Sizzler in the Rain. Let's do it, mate. You ready? Let's do this.
Here we go, sunshine.
Here we go, here we go.
You guys outside for a fast ride.
Oh God, he's gonna kill us.
And we're riding it in the rain. My first time on Sizzler in the rain.
This is gonna go down either one way
Yeah.
or the other.
Yeah.
Good or bad.
Yeah.
I'll see you on the other side,
Yeah.
Cole.
See you on the other side, Aaron. I tried to squash you.
Oh. The ribs have been covered there, so that's...
Yeah, okay.
That was a bloody nightmare, that was.
What was?
Western Super nightmare.
Oh, really?
That's what you get for seeing a vacancy on the wall.
Ah.
You fall over and break your ribs.
Oh dear. Is that what happened?
Yeah.
You've got some lovely arty rain spots on the lens.
Yeah.
It's the wet ride on Tom's Bib Sizzler.
It's like being on Lost Flume, isn't it?
No, I'd rather go on this than the log flume, Aaron.
Really?
Trust me, it's soaked the log flume. This is right. I can handle this.
Yeah, this is not a scheduled start.
Yeah, and then it's going to go wild. Then it's going to go back.
Then
Well,
it's going to crank it right out.
question is, will it go backwards?
Look at us with our GoPros.
Yeah.
Whoa, here we go.
Here we go.
Hold on, two
We're getting faster. Squashing Aaron.
Slide to the end and squash your friend.
That's the one. Literally. Oh, you might just regret me sitting next to him. You right, Aaron?
I feel like I'm in a car wash.
Yeah. Oh. Definitely a wild one.
Whoa.
Oh.
Good little investment, this camera.
Yeah.
Bought it off day.
Oh, nice one. GoPro number, what?
11.
That's good. Mine were 9, so...
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Whoa.
Yeah, alright, Tom, that's enough. Send it backwards now.
It's like, you asked for it, you've got it.
Here we go, sunshine.
Oh. Wipe the lens. Wipe the lens. Always got a bit of lens blur now. Oh.
So I've got this middle bar. That's it.
You right, Aaron?
Yeah, mate. Can you imagine riding this with glasses on?
Oh,
You'd have had a window
yeah,
wipe,
you
wouldn't
would. You would. That's why my glasses are in my car.
Oh yeah, you wear
I
glasses.
do wear them, yeah, but not with thumb pairs. But unless I'm not riding.
Yeah. You'd have a little chain on them.
There we go. Whoa, bloody hell. Whoa, oh my goodness. Whoa, bloody hell. Oh, shit.
That is wet. Oh. These don't run that well on wet surfaces.
No, oh right, okay.
They tend to skip a bit.
Yeah, okay.
A bit like me.
Woo.
There we go. Cheese wheel.
We're going backwards. We're going backwards. Here we go. Backwards cycle. Oh.
I don't know if that's done anything better or not. It still looks smeary.
Oh. That adds a bit of, you know, arty quality to it.
Yeah,
Makes it real.
keep it real.
Keep it real.
Oi, oi.
Hey, woo!
The one bulb out, Cole.
One bulb out, I can't even notice. Now that is awesome, absolutely loved it. Aaron, what do you think of it?
Number one.
Good ride, number one.
one.
Yeah, awesome Sizzler, love it. Awesome, cheers, Charles. Nice one.